Thank new Walt Disney tribute camera. This is a really nice set. Just contains just over 800 pieces. It comes with 4 characters, including Walt Disney himself, Mickey and Minnie, Dumbo, Bambi, and then Walt Disney himself. There's a little sort of separate real movie photos area, section 1 here, and then of course the camera. The legs here are really nice, the way they designed the wooden legs, and then there's the film reel that goes all the way up and around to the back of the camera. There's 2 lenses on this set. There's the main camera, and then there's a smaller light lens over there on the right, and then the top of it with the 100th anniversary is actually really cool. There's some pretty good building techniques here, especially putting together the top of the camera. However, the only thing that really rotates here is just this is the side of the camera here. The camera's kind of a little wobbly, but it's actually okay. It's kind of sturdy enough. This side of the camera does open. If you were to turn this up, this side of the camera opens, and you can see, and then you can see inside of the camera in there's a little seat with some controls that the camera would sit in. So there's a lot of details here. There's the hand open. The top of the camera, I think, doesn't actually rotate, which was something I think would be a little more, making the set a little better. But otherwise, I had fun building it. It's only, like I said, it's only about 800 pieces, and if you're a Disney fan, it's definitely something to pick up and build.